Okay, guys, I successfully uploaded our Bible lesson. So I am hopeful today that I'm going to be able to have today's lessons for you, okay? So this is video number 2. And we are going to go over yesterday and today's work. I'm going to go back and do a video for the other 3 lessons. But today we're going to go over lessons for yesterday, Thursday, and today, Friday, all right? So I'm going to be going through, I'm going to be doing those with you, and we'll review those. If you have any questions for me, your parents can call me, send me an email, or shoot me a text, but I'm convinced and I know that you guys got this because a lot of this is review for you because we've touched on these things, all right? And so we're going to go ahead and start with our math today. And so for our math, I need you guys to get pages 187. And it actually has the squids on it. And then I also need you guys to get, it's going to be 187 and 188 for the first page. The back sheet has the shells on it. And then I also need you guys to pull page 189. And it has the different fish on there. And 190. Okay. So the pages look like that. I would like for you guys to go pull, have your parents give you those pages. And we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay. So at the top of page 187 of our math, it says a giant squid has 10 arms. Count by tens to find out how many arms altogether, and then color the squids, okay? All right, so this is real easy. So I see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, okay? So that's 50 arms for number 1. Real easy, counting by tens. We did that in class every day during our circle time. Okay? Real easy. You guys got that. All right. Well, we're back on time. They're refreshing you on time again. I know you guys haven't forgotten. Number 2 says, what time is it? So the first one, the shorthand is on the 5. The long hand is on the 9, so that represents 45. So the first one, 5:45. Okay. All right. Next one, short arm on the 7. The long one on the 3. So don't forget, you guys, remember the numbers represent 5. So 5, 10, 15. 7:15. Then the last one, shorthand on the 8, long hand on the 6. Real easy. Y'all got that one. It's 8:30. Okay. All right. And just like you guys, I'm doing it as we go. I did not fill out the sheets. Yesterday I was so frustrated, so upset with everything, I just had to walk away. So I didn't do it ahead of time. So I'm going through doing it with you. I'm doing it, and you guys should have already did it because I emailed your parents and asked that you all do this sheet. So this is actually Thursday's work that we're on. Okay. And number 3, it says how many cents? Okay. So for the first box, I see 2 quarters. So we know that that's how much, Haley? 50 cents. Okay. Then at the bottom, I see 3 dimes. So we count by tens again. 10, 20, 30. And they have already given us the answer. So 50 cents plus 30 cents is 80 cents. All right. Okay, to the column on the right, see 2 nickels. They're 5 cents each. So that makes that 5, 10, 10 cents. And then I see 4 pennies at the bottom. Pennies are 1 cent. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 cents plus 4 cents is 14 cents. All right. Real easy. We're all done with that. And parents, just a note, if you guys have any change, you don't mind the kids counting, if you just, I don't know, go in your purse, go in your change purse. So if you have a container that you keep change in, I know we do, if you could just take some out and let them count it, it is a great exercise for them. We had a money center in class. That would be one of my centers. So when we got a break in between our work, we would do different activities, and I just keep just a little baggie of change on my desk, and I add to it so often. So every time that I actually gave them the change baggie, it had a different amount in it. So there was no way that they could remember how much was in it from the previous time, because I would have added a different amount of change, and I would just give it to them. I would split it up sometimes between 2 or 3 students, or let one student just count the whole bag because I knew I was adding to it. But it's a great exercise, and it keeps them sharp with their counting, and it also helps them when it comes to taking care of their money. So that's just a little quick tip. And yeah, it's one of the centers we did in class. Okay, so if you guys will turn over to page 188, and you all can ask your parents too. Hey, Mom, Dad, let me count that. Okay, all right. Turn over to the other side. We see the shells, the pretty purple shells. Okay, it says write the number of shells. Each shell means 5 shells. Okay, so each shell is actually representative of 5. Okay, so Monday, how many? Okay, they want you to go through the days of the week and tell how many shells there are. Okay, so Monday has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, we have 25 shells for Monday. Okay, Tuesday, 5, 10, 15. Have 15 for Tuesday. Wednesday, okay, we just count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. Lincoln, Wednesday has 20 shells. Thursday, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. All right, Haley, Thursday has 25 shells. Okay. All right, that section was really easy. Okay. Okay, section number 2. It says write the sums and add the ones column first, then the tens column. Excuse me, Miss Wanda needed a little drink. Okay. All right, and by the way, that was Kool-Aid. Okay. I'm a Kool-Aid mama. Okay. I mix grape and cherry. All right. Okay, so these are real easy. We got our 2-digit addition. And remember, they told you at the top, just like I tell you in class, when we're doing addition and we're doing subtraction, we are working from the right to the left, okay? So it's ones column, then tens column. And then if we had hundreds, it'll be hundreds column. But we work each column right to left so that we don't get anything wrong. If you try to do those backwards, a lot of times, especially if you start regrouping, you'll get the wrong answer. So kids, don't forget, right to left, okay? All right, let's knock these out quickly. Okay, we have the first one, 1 plus 2. You know that's 3. 2 plus 4, what is it, Lincoln? 6. Good. So the first one should be 63. Okay, Charles and Blaine, we know you all are in accelerated math, so this one is real easy for you guys. I know you all zipped through. So 4 plus 3 is 7, and then they did it again for the tens column. So the next one is 77. All right, next one, 0 plus 5. What is it, LeBron? 5. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. So that one is 75. Okay, next one, 8 plus 1, 9.